AI is not coming for your job. It is already here. Today I will show you 10 AI tools that are silently replacing 10 real jobs in 2025. If you are not using these tools, someone else already is. Let's start. Number 1, video editor. Pictory AI can convert your text into a professional video with subtitles and visuals in minutes. The job of basic video editing is already disappearing. Number 2, Resume Writer. Kick Resume AI can build a professional resume in less than 60 seconds. People are paying thousands for resume services, but this AI does it instantly. Number 3, Website Builder. Durable AI creates a complete website with just one click. No coding, no design skills. Just type your business name and it builds everything. Number 4, Social Media Manager. Tools like Okoya and Predis create posts, captions, and even schedule content automatically. One person can now manage 10 brands alone. Number 5, Voiceover Artist. 11 Labs creates human-like voice in any style. Basic voiceover gigs are already replaced. Number 6, Presentation Designer. Tome AI creates beautiful presentations from just one sentence. No more late-night PowerPoint work. Number 7, App Developer. Glide AI turns your idea into a working mobile app without coding. Just describe your app and it builds it for you. Number 8, Research Assistant. Perplexity AI searches the internet and gives you direct answers with sources. Hours of research done in seconds. Number 9, Content Writer. Copy.ai writes blogs, ads, and scripts instantly. This is replacing entry-level writing jobs fast. Number 10, Customer Support Agent. TDO AI and Intercom AI chatbots reply to customers 24/7 without breaks. Here is the truth. AI will not replace you, but a person using AI will. Subscribe to Tech Vijay. I share one powerful AI tool every single day.